Here's how I reorganized my tiny hallway coat closet. First, I bought an extendable tension rod shelf to help utilize the dead space at the top, which was easy enough to install by myself without any tools. I then used a 6-shelf hanging organizer for my sweatshirts and light jackets, and organized them according to color. And the hanging organizer left plenty of space for me to hang the rest of my coats off to the side. Next up, my messy bins of scarves were folded into rectangles and stored sideways so I could easily see the colors and patterns. I placed them on the tension rod shelf and added clip-on bin labels to identify them. I used these 5-rung over-the-door hooks to hang my purses and bags on the back of the door for another easy way of maximizing the small space. So this is how the space looked before and after my reorganization. It stores all the same things, but the overall look is much cleaner and neat.